Hi everyone, welcome back to JavaScript Bytes, where we fix practical JavaScript problems in bite-sized chunks. Ever typed a long message into a form only to have the text vanish below the edge of a tiny box? You scroll, you drag, you sigh, it's bad UX. And today we are going to fix it in under 5 minutes using plain JavaScript. Here's a real example, a feedback form. The user is supposed to share a full thought, maybe even a bug report or a support request. But as soon as I paste in a real message, it overflows. Scroll bars, hidden text, that's what we are fixing. And let's be honest, if Karen is trying to file a complaint and your text area cuts are off, you are going to hear about it. So without further delay, let's go to Visual Studio Code and find a solution before it becomes a problem. Now let's build a clean version from scratch with everything working the right way. Let's add some styling to our file. We style it nicely, remove scroll bars with overflow hidden, and add a smooth transition so the height change feels polished. Now let's add some JavaScript to it. Now here's the trick. Every time the user types, we reset the height to auto so it shrinks or expands if needed, and then immediately set it to match the scroll height, which expands it just enough to fit the content. Let's see if it works. I'm going to paste a message. You saw when I paste the message, the box grows with me. No scroll bars, just clean, responsive UI. Now let's say if I cut some part, it shrinks as well. So it's working as expected, but such unrestricted growth is not going to look good if it goes too far. So we need to apply some limits. How to prevent it from growing forever? We just need to add a max height. After that, it scrolls. So in our CSS styling, I'm going to go to the text area styling and add. But here's another problem. We have used overflow hidden, which would prevent display of vertical scroll bar when the limit is breached. We can fix that by allowing only the vertical scroll bar. Right, let's try it now. Here we go. And that's how you auto resize a text area in JavaScript. Please like the video if you found it useful. For more bite-sized UI improvements, check out the JavaScript Bytes playlist and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.